How to fix Valorant WAN connection error. So let's get started. So you have to go into your Windows and here you have to search for these settings. So now once you are in the settings, here you have to go in the network and internet and make sure that you are using the secure and stable internet connection. And if you are not using this, then you have to change your network and say this. And after that you have to go in the find a setting and here you have to search for the VPNs. Here is the option of the advanced VPN connection. You have to click on it and make sure that any type of VPN is not connected with your PC. So once you check this, you have to go back and here you have to go in the Windows and here you have to search for the updates. Now here is the option of the check for updates. You just have to click on the open and here you have to go in the check for update and make sure that there is any type of update or not, and if it is any then you have to do this. And in the last, what you have to do is again go in this Windows and here you have to search for the Valorant and here you have to go in this open file location. Now from here you have to right click on it and go in this properties. So once you are in, you have to go in this compatibility and you have to make sure that this option of the run this program as in administrator is enabled, and you have to apply the changes and click on the OK. And after that you are able to fix this issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.